Hello and welcome to GenAI Cybersecurity Solutions. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the rapidly evolving intersection of generative AI and cybersecurity. This course is designed to equip you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies to address the unique security challenges posed by GenAI systems. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, an AI engineer, or a tech enthusiast, you'll find practical insights and actionable solutions tailored to real-world scenarios. Generative AI, a transformative subset of artificial intelligence, refers to systems capable of creating new content such as text, images, audio, or code based on patterns and data they have learned. Unlike traditional AI systems that focus on recognizing patterns or making predictions, generative AI excels at producing original outputs. These systems rely heavily on models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, for text generation, or DAL-E for image synthesis. For example, SecureNet Solutions Incorporated uses generative AI to automate threat intelligence reports, creating detailed documents by analyzing real-time data about evolving cybersecurity threats. Applications of generative AI span various industries. In marketing, it assists in generating personalized campaigns. In healthcare, it aids in creating synthetic data for research. And in software development, it automates code generation and debugging. SecureNet Solutions Incorporated, for instance, leverages generative AI to simulate potential security incidents, enabling teams to prepare better response strategies without risking actual system vulnerabilities. In cybersecurity, generative AI is particularly powerful in crafting phishing emails or generating adversarial attacks during testing phases. While these abilities can be exploited maliciously, they also provide a controlled environment for developing robust defense mechanisms. SecureNet employs such techniques to test and refine their AI-driven threat detection systems. SecureNet Solutions Incorporated, founded in 1991, is a prominent technology company specializing in IT consulting, managed services, and infrastructure solutions. The firm provides comprehensive IT support that rivals an in-house department but is more cost-effective and flexible, with no long-term commitments. Its dedication to innovation and client satisfaction has earned it recognition as a Channel Futures MSP 501 winner in 2018 and 2022, highlighting its leadership in managed IT services. The company offers a wide range of services tailored to meet the needs of its diverse clientele. Its managed IT services ensure businesses have access to the latest technologies within their budget. Cloud services eliminate the burden of maintaining hardware, allowing clients to focus on strategic initiatives. Cybersecurity services provide robust protection against digital threats, safeguarding sensitive data and infrastructure. SecureNet also excels in communication solutions, helping organizations enhance their business communication with advanced technologies. Its consulting services are customized to align with the unique infrastructure needs of each business. These offerings make SecureNet a trusted partner for industries such as healthcare, education, manufacturing, legal, and nonprofit organizations. The company is known for its commitment to transparency, customer service, and ethical practices, which have fostered long-term client relationships. Leveraging strategic partnerships and extensive industry expertise, SecureNet delivers technical solutions that address real-world challenges and drive business growth. Its focus on using technology to boost productivity and achieve business objectives makes SecureNet an ideal case study for lessons in IT and cybersecurity. Generative AI, GenAI, introduces a new set of cybersecurity challenges that stem from its unique functionalities and vulnerabilities. One such challenge is data poisoning, where attackers manipulate the AI's training data. For instance, SecureNet Solutions Incorporated must ensure the integrity of threat intelligence data to prevent attackers from injecting misleading information that could compromise the AI's outputs. Similarly, Prompt injection attacks exploit the AI through maliciously crafted inputs, causing the system to generate manipulated reports. SecureNet has observed scenarios where adversaries attempt to misdirect AI-generated threat assessments by embedding harmful instructions. Another significant vulnerability is model inversion, where attackers reverse engineer the AI to extract sensitive information. For SecureNet, this risk is critical as their AI-powered systems manage confidential system configurations that need safeguarding. Adversarial attacks add to the complexity, with attackers subtly altering inputs to deceive the AI. For instance, SecureNet's threat detection AI must differentiate between authentic inputs and cleverly disguised malicious ones. Bias amplification arises when flawed training data skews AI outputs, potentially impacting SecureNet's ability to maintain impartiality in risk assessments. Alongside this, the lack of explainability in GenAI models makes it difficult for SecureNet's cybersecurity teams to interpret decisions, which can hinder incident response strategies. Privacy concerns are another major issue, as GenAI might inadvertently include sensitive client data in its outputs. SecureNet has to carefully monitor its AI-generated threat reports to prevent such breaches. Finally, the scalability of threats poses a daunting challenge. GenAI can automate and launch sophisticated attacks at scale, such as mass phishing campaigns. SecureNet continuously develops countermeasures to mitigate such AI-driven threats while leveraging generative AI's capabilities responsibly. Traditional cybersecurity tools are designed to protect conventional systems, but they often fall short when applied to generative AI, GenAI systems. Unlike static IT infrastructures, GenAI systems are dynamic, continuously learning from data and producing unique outputs. This creates vulnerabilities that traditional tools are not equipped to address. For instance, SecureNet Solutions Incorporated, which employs GenAI to automate threat intelligence reports, found that standard firewalls and intrusion detection systems failed to recognize sophisticated prompt injection attacks targeting their AI models. These attacks manipulated inputs to generate misleading outputs, bypassing traditional security measures. Another limitation of traditional tools lies in their inability to handle the complexity of GenAI's internal processes. GenAI models often function as black boxes, making it difficult to trace their decision-making processes. SecureNet faced challenges in explaining how their GenAI assigned risk levels to incidents, which complicated their incident response efforts. Conventional tools lack the capability to provide visibility into these AI-specific operations. Traditional security solutions also struggle with the scale of threats posed by GenAI. Automated attacks, such as AI-generated phishing campaigns, can overwhelm standard systems. SecureNet had to adopt AI-powered detection tools to identify and mitigate these large-scale attacks effectively. Moreover, GenAI systems can inadvertently amplify biases present in their training data, leading to flawed outputs that traditional tools fail to detect. SecureNet mitigated this by integrating specialized tools designed to monitor and correct AI biases in real time. Finally, data integrity and privacy risks in GenAI environments require advanced solutions. Traditional systems often overlook how sensitive data might be inadvertently exposed during GenAI's output generation. SecureNet addressed this by deploying AI-specific privacy monitors that flagged and anonymized sensitive data before it could be included in reports. In this section, we will dive into the core concepts of GenAI cybersecurity, exploring the foundational elements required to secure generative AI systems effectively. These concepts highlight the unique vulnerabilities and attack strategies targeting GenAI, as well as the measures necessary to safeguard these advanced technologies. We begin with an overview of threat vectors in GenAI, which include data poisoning, prompt injection attacks, and model inversion. Data poisoning involves injecting malicious data into AI training or operational datasets, corrupting the model's learning process and outputs. Prompt injection attacks exploit crafted inputs to manipulate the AI's responses, while model inversion allows attackers to reverse engineer AI models to extract sensitive information. For example, SecureNet Solutions Incorporated mitigates these risks by validating training datasets, implementing input filtering mechanisms, and encrypting sensitive model data. Next, we explore adversarial machine learning, a collection of techniques attackers use to compromise AI models. These methods include crafting adversarial inputs that trick AI systems into making incorrect predictions or decisions. Attackers may also execute poisoning or gradient-based attacks to weaken a model's effectiveness. At SecureNet, defenses are strengthened by rigorously testing GenAI systems against simulated adversarial scenarios, ensuring they are resilient to these tactics. Finally, we address the importance of securing data pipelines in GenAI systems. Data pipelines are critical for ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of the data used by AI models. Best practices include encrypting data in transit and at rest, validating inputs, implementing access controls, and conducting regular audits. SecureNet applies these strategies to safeguard their GenAI threat intelligence pipeline, protecting it from unauthorized access and ensuring its accuracy and reliability.